Hi, this is Justin from the supports team. Today I want to tell you how to quickly do some bulk actions to your orders. So in Inflow, you can do different things to an order. When you open an order up, you can add different products, you can fulfill it, you can set up different payments, you can print different documents for your orders, you can email them out, you can cancel it, you can change your customer, etc. A lot of different things. Some of these could be done fairly quickly with bulk edits. So instead of clicking individual orders and then doing the changes and then saving them each time, you can multi-select different orders, and then you will see different things you can do at the same time. These are called bulk actions. So right now you could do things like changing the status from invoice to uninvoiced, paying them all together, printing all the different documents that are available for sales orders and purchase orders. You can email, and you can change the assign to, and even cancel. So as soon as I check, you will see that the bottom here will indicate how many orders I've selected, and at the top you can see that there's select top 20 options. So if you click this, it will select the top 20 depending on what you're sorting by. So if I deselect by clicking X and I sort by order date, then I'm selecting the top 20 like so, according to date. But right now there is the maximum cap of just $20 orders to bulk edit. So let's say Henry comes in right now and wants to pay for 3 of his orders. What happens is I want to sort by customer so I can get all the Henrys together, and then I can multi-select the 3 that he wants to pay for, and then update status by pay. So you'll see a mini note saying that the following orders will be paid in full. You cannot partially paid. You cannot partially pay in bulk. You can only pay in full. So let's say he comes in with a Visa card and then he wants to put a reference as today's date. It'll be June 4th, 2025, and 111 will be the reference number. Again, if I click pay 3 orders, then all of these 3 will be paid. In a few seconds, instead of clicking individual orders, now they're all paid. If you put your mouse over the payment status, you'll see that it's dark filled orange. That means paid. If it's gradient, it means partially paid and invoice. So what happens if I select multiple orders but pay together with something that is already partially paid? If I pay this, it will still say that the following orders will be paid in full. So let's say he comes in right now with the MasterCard, but then this time we call it June 6th, June 4th, I guess. And then the reference number is 222. What happens is it will still be paid in full, but if you click this order, which was the one that was partially paid before, you'll see that it smartly knows that it was only paying the remaining balance. And that's my reference number, and that was my payment method. So the other things you could do is to change who you are assigning it to. So let's say Henry is for Adam and then Mary is for Mark, and I just want to assign all these Natalie's, my customer Natalie orders, to Adam, for example. It will change all the nones from nothing assigned to Adam. Confirm. And within a few seconds, instead of clicking individually again and saving each order individually again, it will all be assigned to Adam. And if I want to just cancel everything, I don't think this will happen to any of you, but let's just say you want to cancel all the orders at once. You can click cancel, and voila. All the top 20 orders will be canceled. There you go. So one other quick question was how to view your canceled orders. To show you this quickly, you can just go to all and click the status and click check off canceled, apply, and you'll see all the different orders that you canceled. There you go. Thank you.